Hello, everyone. For some reason, I found my phone, finally. For some reason, it's not charging, so I just looked up a couple of videos, and now I'm going to show you how to fix a phone that doesn't charge. So, first of all, let's plug it in. So, when I plug it in, it just goes like this. This is all it does. But it never charges, so this has been plugged in for about 2 hours now, and it hasn't been working. So today, I'm going to show you how to fix the phone. So as you can see in there, I don't know. If you have anything inside, you can use put anything plastic. Don't put anything metal in there because it will break it. So then, I'm not breaking this button anyway. So just put it in there, and see, there's like this. There's like something on there. So anyway, now get it and put it in there. Turn the brightness up. Now, as you can see a little bit, there's like something right here. Now, here's the final. Yeah, there we go. And there's something in there. Tap there. Get out. Yeah, there it is. Now, since I got all of it out, let's see what happens when I plug it in. Now, I'm going to wait 20 minutes, and we will see. I will update. I'll make a video if it's working. But for now on, yeah, that was how to fix the phone, an iPhone that does not charge. And I'm pretty sure this is working. because if it doesn't work, then I did that for nothing. Another way you can do it, or another better way is, hold on, I can go anywhere I want because I'm home alone right now. No one's here. So, you can... I guess I'll use these. Oh yeah. You can cut it so it looks like this. You can also do it this way. So, let me see if I can get it out. Yeah, there we go. And it's charging. There we go. Now, I will be making a video of it working, and bye.